Hello. Hi. Hey. So I'm actually in my kitchen with my big bag of stuff that has monkeys on it. Because, you know, this is Dbomb that monkey. Monkey, hello, it's in the title. Anyway, so I'm going to talk about stuff, really. A lot of people have been like, I want spring, I want the warm weather, because there's snow on the ground right now. Yep. Anyway, so a lot of people have been wanting spring. Well, today, shoot, there's rice all over my kitchen table. Actually, today is the first day of spring. Yay! Doesn't feel like it because there's snow on the ground, but it's not that counts. Yeah. So, hang in there, because hopefully the snow melts and there will be no more snowstorms. So, yeah. Eat healthy. I'm sorry. If you want to eat healthy, you could eat a banana, or you can eat grapes, or an apple. And for Josh, you've been crazy about butter. You can eat butter. Okay. How could I forget? Oh, not this. Cookies. I know first. Okay, whatever. Yeah. Siak. A lot of people have been yeah, that's pretty boring. Gotta express your feelings. Like, serious people. We need more happy people in this world. Now, I'm not gonna go off teacher on you, but if you received a penny for every kind word you said, and no, hold on, I phrased it wrong. If somebody gave you a penny for every kind word you said, and collected one for every unkind word you said, would you be rich or poor? Now, I'm not at school yet, so there will be no lining involved. I'm on TV. This has been a dumb episode of Dbomb That Monkey. I'm bored, don't know what to do. Going to school a little bit. Bye. Not saying Dbomb That Monkey is dumb. I'm not saying I'm dumb either. I'm just saying I'm bored.